Greetings guys, Cowman here, and welcome to a, well, slightly weird looking world. So basically what I've done here is basically I've attempted is basically to retrograde a copy of my world, which I think I've moved to like 1.3, and basically I've loaded it again, this time in 1.2, and sometimes like this happens and like it's just kind of cool to see, and I just thought I might show you this anyway, because well, it just looks so odd. Do not worry, by the way, my actual world is fine, because well, this is just merely a copy that I kind of, well, broke. But yeah, like, it's just kind of like interesting to see what the consequences of retrograding can be, actually. So, as you can see here, quite a lot of my shout-out gun is, well, kind of mostly working, even though signs are, well, you can kind of see for yourself what's happened. And although not all of it is actually working, I'm going to have to switch this to peaceful, because I've lost all my stuff, obviously. But yeah, they're not really working properly, and obviously, like, this whole section of my shotgun here, well, that's all gone, basically, so, yeah. So, here, this is just my Alf museum, so, you can kind of see some of it, but most of it's obviously gone and replaced by this weird ocean thingy-majig. This is a bit of my first cave I came out of still here. And surprisingly, all of my library is still here, so that's kind of nice, how got all of one structure at least. And then here, this is a little bit of my farm. And so basically, like, the entrance to my farm is alright, but obviously, well, you can kind of see my farm, well, it's very much not alright. Yeah, also, I haven't really updated this, so, like, that redstone, like, that really technically shouldn't really be there, because basically what should have happened is the water should have trickled in, but, well, it hasn't yet, obviously. And yeah. So this monorail, this is still here because this is a slightly older version of the world. Since then I have actually gotten rid of this. So you get a tiny bit of the sugarcane observatory here. Well, and we're kind of like almost half it. And you actually go all the way to the top, even though when we get to the top it's not all going to be there though. So, it's a bit of a shame. So yeah, you come up here but then, well, you can see for yourself what's happened. And that's, well, it's broken. At least it's like a cool diving pad though, so I guess there's that. So, what else is there left? I think pretty much all the cactus clock is still there, so we are going to quickly see that now. When I'm going to have to quickly break this block because you can't swim up here. So, I need to be quite careful getting through here to make sure we don't fall into that water. And also you can see a little bit of my excavation project here. Yeah, that's mostly alright actually for some reason. So I think this whole structure is alright actually, it seems. I'm actually pretty going to go all the way to the top of it very, very quickly. And yeah, we can also get a good view of what's happened exactly. So yeah, also in terms of my house, you can kind of see a little bit of the central wing. The west wing's completely gone though, and there's like a tiny weeny bit of the east wing there, although it's pretty much mostly cut away though due to all of these weird glitches. And also you kind of see like, there's also been some random chunks that have gone, so I'm actually going to quickly break out of this and see if we can, I don't think we can land down there, so I'm actually going to probably, which way should I get out? I think I might get out this way, I think. Actually, though, that way is really bad because I remember what happened. Actually, it doesn't matter, though, really. Yeah, also, I think you can kind of see the spawn here. But obviously, like, it's water there. You can't obviously spawn where you meant to, because technically you meant to spawn on top of my house. Or the west wing of it, at least. But obviously, well, that's gone, so can't do that anymore. Yeah, so, like, yeah, like, it's really weird it looks. How, like, basically an ocean's somehow spawned in there. Yeah, you can also see how old this first world is, actually, because since then, quite a lot of this land is all gone now. And basically now, like, it expands much further back. And also, I've also started to expand and this, like, clearing, like, around the side of this castle. So basically, all of this terrain here, like, this is all gone now, obviously. So yeah, and we'll see around here, like, there's also some other random chunks that have, like, completely gone, pretty much. Yeah, it's pretty weird in all honesty. Here, and yeah. I think they're all just ocean chunks if they're not, like, despawned. Yeah, you can also see most of my farm, luckily. I think that mostly survived, even though I'm pretty sure there's quite a lot more that probably wouldn't have survived, I reckon. Yeah, you can see another huge missing chunk there. Yeah, I think most of this weird cave entrance, I think this is still pretty much all here. Also, I think it kind of looks a bit glitchy as well, to some extent, because what isn't technically glitchy, it kind of looks it, because like it looks like it's like cut off like even the facades. And also you see like some of the torches are glitching, and yeah, like obviously all that's gone. Yeah, and overall you can just see like how much this was gone. So yeah, it's actually really interesting. If you want to try it and get like see what's happened on here, I would try here and like have a bit of a fun explore. What you could do actually is, as long as you make a copy of your world, if you're playing, or you can basically build a world in 1.2, move to 1.3, and then try and move back to 1.2 and see what's happened. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this little quick video exploring a very weird looking world. I know this isn't really like a real video, that's why it's on this particular channel. But yeah, I thought it might be kind of interesting to show you that, and it kind of looks weird. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this quick video, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye guys.